Today's episode is going to be a little bit special because today it's my birthday. I turned 28 today. I'm getting old. So today, I'm not going to really do anything. I'm just going to take this thing out for a little bit, drive it around. I'm going to go pick up a Christmas tree and maybe stop in and grab a bite to eat somewhere. You know, put around town. You really haven't seen this car on the channel in quite some time. I actually can't really remember. And so, well, you're going to be seeing a lot more. I have a positive rear end that I'm going to be putting in. New gears that are going to go in it. I have 373s to put in them. What else? Oh, I have a timing chain on the way, so that's going to be a big help. I'm pretty sure this is stretched out. And yeah, let's go for a ride. So here's inside the cab. You know, typical gauges. They don't even work. Speedo does. Gas gauge, sometimes. Those don't do anything. Radio doesn't work. CB shifter, no heat. Basically have to let the engine warm me up. So I really gotta fix that heater core. Alright, first stop is a gas station. I don't know how much gas I have left in this car, so it's questionable. I think I got bad ground, so off I go. Also, for the Christmas tree, they're getting expensive. I couldn't believe it. $60 my grandparents told me they paid for theirs, but I have myself an idea. I'll show you. Alright, well I finally got my tree, as you can see. It's all set up. So hopefully that holds. Probably not. Can't see, son. Off we go. Something, I think. I got her back to my place, so let's put her up. Alright. Let's put this tree up. And boom. Just like that. Perfect. Alright, tree's up. Let's go back to the shop. Gotta get back quick. There's not a lot of daylight left, and no heat sucks. But like I said before, up next is either I'm gonna make a video about doing the timing chain in this car, or I'm going to be getting everything ready for the posi rear end in this. We'll go get it shipped out to a guy that actually knows what he's doing, who has like 40 years experience rebuilding rear ends and getting the gear ratio right. I've never done that before, so there's a lot of science involved, and that's not my strong suit. So I'll take it to him. Maybe he could teach me a thing or two on how to build everything like that, because it would be kind of cool. But the downside to that is everything on this car in the back is original rear end, leaf springs. I think there's air shocks in the back, but those are probably blown out. But I do have new air shocks, so those are definitely going in. I'm hoping they hold air. They're used, but if not, I'll just get regular cheap shocks. But if you stay tuned for more, I'm definitely going to be making more episodes on the Camaro. This whole channel was supposed to be based around the Camaro, but I kind of dropped the ball on that, just like everything else in life. So, it is what it is. There's something about driving this car that I really love. I don't know why. I've always just seemed attached to it. Everyone's always tried to get me to sell it, or no, you're never going to do anything with it. But literally, I've had this car for, it's going to be 10 years in March. Oh, don't mind that. It's going to be 10 years in March that I own this car, and I've had nothing but good memories in it. Hoping to take this thing on Hot Rod Power Tour one day, but that's a lot of work and it's a lot of driving, it's a lot of fuel. Hopefully, maybe sometime in the future. It all depends. There's a shop. Let's pull her on in. Well, today was a good day. Sun's starting to set. It's getting cold out. These December days, they just get shorter and shorter. But it was a good day. I had fun. Drove the Camaro, got a Christmas tree, and just had some me time. You always gotta have those kind of days. So, like I said, there's gonna be more videos of this car in the future, so stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, if you like this video, think about giving it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe too if you like Camaro content and things like that, or just old junky cars in general. But yeah, and hit that little bell thingy too. Apparently that does something, I don't know. So I'll see you on the next one.